Hello, this is my Unit 3 visual mental model. For the first guiding question, what molecules work to pass traits from one generation to the next? From Unit 3, inheritance of traits, molecules of inheritance. The molecules that work to pass traits from one generation to the next are primarily DNA. In some cases, like RNA, DNA carries the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, and reproduction of all known living organisms. During reproduction, DNA is copied and passed to the offspring, ensuring that genetic traits are inherited, and some viruses, RNA serves the genetic information, making them the key molecules of inheritance. For the part 2, from gene to protein. Genes, which are segments of DNA, carry the instructions for making proteins. There's a process of transcription and translation. This genetic information is first copied into the messenger RNA and then used to build proteins. These proteins are responsible for traits, meaning the flow of information from gene to protein explains how inherited DNA results in physical characteristics. From Unit 3, inheritance of traits, Part 3, biological technology and genetic variation. DNA and genes, which carry inherited information. Understanding these molecules explain how traits are inherited and how variation occur between individuals. This knowledge is essential for biotechnology, which use DNA to modify organisms, study genetic differences, and solve real-world problems. This is some drawings I made, a little Excel thing, a little like the text that go with it for the cells, and more of the keyword. For my second guiding question, how does the sequence of nitrogen bases affect the gene expressed? So for part 1, molecules of inheritance, focusing on how the order of bases like A, T, C, G in DNA determines the structural proteins and the traits that are expressed. Changes in the sequence can alter the gene's function, leading to different outcomes in inheritance. This is a little drawing I made for it. From gene to protein. The sequence of DNA bases determine the order of amino acids in a protein. This sequence is transcribed into mRNA, which is then transcribed into a protein, which is translated into I already said that. Changes in the base sequence can alter the protein and can affect gene expression. It's a little gene expression going. And then for part 3, biotechnology and genetic variation, this DNA bases controls protein production and traits. Change the sequence like Mentos, organ editing, alter gene expression, and a key to biotechnology and genetic variations. This is mutations, sorry. And this is a little drawing I made for it. And this is my Unit 3 visual mental model project for Lathe.